Kunshan Dersion Environmental Technology Company Limited, established in 2012. We are a professional clean equipment provider engaged in the research, development, sale and service of modular clean room, air shower, pass box, clean booth, etc. We are located in Kunshan City, Jiangsu Province, with convenient transportation access, about an hour's drive from Shanghai City, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our associated factory has the specialized import production equipments. We can provide professional customized services. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained verified certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Vietnam. We also welcome OEM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our products were inspected by professional quality control inspectors. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.